You are welcome to Mathematics Immunity. Now today, we just want to look at the solutions to practice questions on perimeter of circle that we had in the last previous video. Find the perimeters of the shapes in figure B. All measurements are in centimeter. Use the value of 22/7 for pi. Now I want to calculate the perimeter of this, and perimeter can also be circumference of the circle. Now the perimeter, this is a semicircle. The perimeter of a semicircle, since the circumference of a circle is pi d or 2 pi r, so for semicircle, circumference of semicircle will now be half pi d. Since semicircle is half of a circle, that is half times 22/7 is 5, and diameter is 14. All dimensions are in centimeter. 2 into 1, 2 into 22, 11, 7, 7, 1, 7, 14, 2. 11 times 2 is 22. So circumference is 22 centimeters. Number 2. Now when you look at this shape, we have two semicircles. So the perimeter will be this. When you break it, the perimeter of this shape will be the circumference of this semicircle and the circumference of the other semicircle. If this is 7, this place also 7 from the diagram. So for the small semicircle, the diameter is 7. So circumference of smaller semicircle will be half pi d. That is half times 22/7. The diameter is 7. Diameter is 7. So 7 here, 1, 7 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 11. So we have 11 centimeters. Now for the bigger semicircle, the diameter will be 7 plus 7. That is 14. So the diameter of bigger semicircle will be 7 plus 7, that is 14 centimeter, because your diameter is 2 times radius. So the circumference will be half pi d, that is half times 22/7. Diameter is 14. 2 into 1, 2 into 22, 11. 7 here, 1, 7 here, 2. 11 times 2, that's 22 centimeter. So perimeter of shape is equal. Now look at this. Now the perimeter of this shape will be this circumference plus this circumference plus this 7. Because perimeter means you walk around the shape. So that will be perimeter of small, that's 11 plus 22 plus 7. And we have that 11 plus 22, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, that is 33 plus 7, and that is 40 centimeters. I hope it's clear. Number 3, when you look at this shape, you want to find the perimeter of this shape. You walk around the shape 9, 5, 1, 1. So the perimeter will be 1 plus here. If you complete here, it's like a square or rectangle. Opposite sides are equal, so here will be 5. So the perimeter will be 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 1 plus the perimeter of this semicircle. Since here is 9, from here to here will also be 9. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 minus 2 will give you 7. So the diameter here will be 7. So now let's get diameter. So diameter is 9 minus 2, that's 7 centimeter. So circumference of this semicircle is half pi d, that is half times 22/7, and diameter is 7. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 11. 7 here, 1, 7 here, 1. So we have 11 centimeters. So the perimeter will now be 1595111. 1595111. 15951, and this is 11. That's the perimeter of the shape. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. and 21 plus 11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. The perimeter is 32 centimeters. Yeah. Now number 4. The perimeter of this shape will be the perimeter of this semicircle plus the perimeter of this semicircle. There are 4 of them. And these 4 semicircles are similar because their diameters are 7, 7, 7, 7, because this symbol is a square. So they all have the same diameter, 7, 7, 7. So if I know the circumference of one of them, multiply by 4 will give me the perimeter of this plane shape. So now circumference, so diameter, the circumference is half pi d, and d is 7 centimeter. So c is half times 22 over 7, and d is 7. 7 here 1, 7 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 11. So c is 11 centimeters. So there are 4 of them. So perimeter of shape, so perimeter will now be 4 times 11. 11 in 4 places, that is 44 centimeters. Now number 5, we have this shape. We want to calculate the perimeter of this shape. So we have that this place is given as, so 15 is from here to here is 15. Now if this is 7, diameter is 7, the radius should be 3.5, and if this radius 3.5, this way is also 3.5. Similarly, this is also 3.5. So 3.5 plus 3.5 will give you 7, and from here to here is 15. So 15 minus 7 will give you 8. So this place will be 8. So the perimeter will now be 8 plus circumference plus 8 plus circumference. Now, the two semicircles have the same diameter, so circumference is half pi d, which is half times 22 over 7 times diameter is 7. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 11, 7 here, 1, 7 here, 1. So circumference is 11 centimeters. So this is 11, this is 11. So the perimeter will be 8, 11, 8, 11. So perimeter of shape will be 8 plus 11 plus 8 plus 11. So 8 plus 11 plus 19 plus 19. 19 plus 19, 9 plus 9, 18 carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So perimeter is 38 centimeters. These are just the solutions to the practice questions. So if you know you still have questions, you can still send questions to my email. And my email account is alberttoba2020 at gmail.com. alberttoba2020 at gmail.com. You can also go to the YouTube platform and make comments. Thank you.